So you can see this wild cucumber vine behind me. I grew this from seed many years ago, and every year after the rains it would put up a little bit of a vine, maybe a few inches, and this year it put up a much more encompassing vine and was able to flower, and then it produced fruit, and the fruit just opened up and dropped seed. So I'm going to show you now. So you can see the chambers in there, and the seed actually fell on the ground, some of them, right here. And where's the other one? Ah, right here, next to my toe. So these seeds, they are toxic, but you can use them as a pigment binder. So if you look at rock art sites, well-known ones, the pigment has been made with the roasted and crushed wild cucumber seeds. I'm really excited to use this fruit when it dries out. I can peel the spines off, and it resembles a loofah, which it's related to, and so I can wash dishes, exfoliate my skin, that sort of thing. So it's been many years, but finally the reward is paid off. I can imagine that the plant underground has been establishing a giant tuber all this time, which is also why they call it Cucamonga man root, because it can get as big as a full-grown person. So again, this is wild cucumber, and I encourage you to grow your own from seed.